Alright then, this is what I'm going to make one of my own Super Bowl party ideas. It's called the Spinach Artichoke Dip. First things first, I preheat the oven for 350 degrees Fahrenheit. You want to make sure the oven will be nice and hot. You're going to need either the deep dish or the casserole dish. I'm going to use the one with the square pans. It has the 8 inches that I've been lining with aluminum foil to overlap it, and I spray with non-stick cooking spray for easy cleanup. What I have in a large bowl, I always softened up 8-ounce packages of cream cheese. I'm going to be using the one with the Philadelphia original cream cheese. And to that on, I'm going to put a half a cup of real mayonnaise, along with 1 cup of sour cream. I'm going to sprinkle 2 teaspoons of each of the garlic powder and the onion powder. You can try minced garlic and chopped onions if you have it in the house. I'm going to sprinkle 4 teaspoons of kosher salt and ground black pepper. I'm going to try the one with the 3/4 teaspoons or so. Doesn't really matter. Just want to mash these around. I'm going to use the one with the rubber spatula. These ones almost getting mashed over. We're going to finish the rest of the ingredients. You're going to take about 10-ounce packages of frozen spinach has been already thawed. I like to reheat the frozen spinach in the microwave as fast as I can, and I've been draining with the sieve and a cheesecloth to squeeze all the liquids. Don't want to get too soggy. And just going to plop it right into it. And of course, I let them cool the spinach. We don't want to get to melt all the cheeses. Here's what I'm going to use it for with the premium organic cut spinach, one of the brand name, Casserole Farm Organic. And I have been drained it, and I've been quarter of the artichoke hearts. Also, we did the same as the spinach. And I can see if there's a little chunks of the artichoke hearts, I decide I can chop it into the food processor. This is what I'm going to use it for. Cento quarter artichoke hearts. You can able to see this can, but here you go. And 2 cups of shredded Parmesan cheese. And just going to keep combining those, really incorporate. I can smell the Parmesan cheese. This is going to be a lot of spinach with the artichokes also, that I keep mushing all the way around using with the rubber spatula. And once that, we're going to put it into a prepared pan. Then I'm going to use the one with a square pan. And I'm just going to plop this right in here. Look at all those. And you can go ahead, just push it down. That's going to be spread it over. Spread it very evenly. You can use with a backward spoon, that might be a lot easy. So once you spread it all the way into the prepared pan, you're going to cover tightly with aluminum foil for first, and you're going to bake it. It has been already preheated for 350 for 30 minutes. After 30 minutes, remove from the foil and bake another 15 minutes, but the total will be about 45 minutes. Just cover it up tightly with aluminum foil. And don't forget to use the paring knife to poke a hole that allows the steam. In the oven it goes, starting with 30 minutes. Here it is. It has been total for 45 minutes that I've been took it out of the oven after it's 350 degrees Fahrenheit. And you have a finished, easy spinach artichoke dip. You gotta be great for the Super Bowl party. Now you can serve it very hot or warm. Then you can dip it with tortilla chips, either the Ritz cracker, or I can have with the wheat thin crackers. Hope you guys are gonna love to have the Super Bowl party. As always, dig in.